Welcome to McDonald's drive-thru. Can I interest everyone in some mic birth control? Just a friendly PSA. They might be needed for this video. Good evening, good night, good morning, good afternoon. I hope everyone is having a wonderful whatever at this time of day wherever you are on God's green earth. I have come with part 2 of this video thing I don't know. But on a more serious note, part 1 of this video has too many views. I'm getting worried now. Stop watching please. This fame will get to me. Oh, and by the damn way, a lot of you guys in the previous video were pointing out how June's English is already fluent. Congratulations for pointing out the obvious, queens. You'll act like I don't know he's the king of the English language. I just wasn't creative enough to use a better name for the video, so please stop yelling at me, it hurt my feels. Anyhow, like always, proceed with caution and don't watch this with your parents.
That's how it's supposed to be. Oh, baby, tonight, you're gonna make my body fly. Oh, baby, don't you cry. She can't say we don't talk about it. Oh.
I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home, my own for all seasons. Come on, let's go. I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home, my own for all seasons. Come on, let's go. Symphony playing in my head. Memories, they're always still there.
Yo, we're gonna use this on TikTok and drop this shit.
Smarty baby.
Yo, sing like la la, spicy like sriracha, smoking like a Rasta, big blunt stuff like pasta. Yeah, she throw it back, beat it up like piñata, move it like a snake, shake her body like. I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way.
Yeah, this one, nothing to do. Hey, listen. Monday, I have nothing to do. Tuesday, I have nothing to do. Wednesday, I have nothing to do. Thursday, I have nothing to do. Friday, Saturday, nothing to do.